What's up, guys, and welcome back to CopperCarver. Today we're checking out the COOWPS Switch 2 carrying case that comes bundled with a portable power bank. So instead of buying a case and then grabbing a separate battery pack later, this gives you both right out of the box. And what's really nice is it holds your Switch even with the official COOWPS Switch 2 protective case still on it. So you're not consistently taking this case on and off. I know different ones that I've had in the past, you always have to take the case off, but it's nice that you can keep your case on for this, which is a great combo with how it's supposed to be used. I love this. This could be clutch for travel, long gaming sessions, just lots of different things. I ended up really loving this one, guys, and personally I found myself using it. But you know what? Let's open it up and see what we're working with. Heads up, first impressions, it actually feels solid. So here it is right here. We got the COOWPS 2-in-1 charging case. And from what I understand, it actually comes with a charger. So that is amazing. I think you can change it out with other chargers. So that would be nice if so. And supposedly this does work with the this does work with the COOWPS Switch 2 case, which I will tell you right now is my favorite case because of the grips, the stand, the fact that you can attach a wireless charger right here. You'll still have to connect a USB-C, and it's dockable. So this is honestly so far my favorite, and I've tried like 4 different ones so far. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look at the features, and I'll give you my opinion of it. It's in there really firm. Nothing else? No, nothing else in the box. There we go. And a protective plastic bag of sorts. Here we go. Right here. Feels really nice. Listen to that. Feels really firm. All right. Has like a little carrying case on it. A little carrying deal on it, so that is nice. Let's unzip this and open it up. Okay, so right off the top we have little how to use, so that is nice. Right here on the back it shows how to put the little protective cover over it and stuff like that, which right here I believe that this can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 games right there. Yeah, okay. And then in here, look at this. Sure enough, it actually does come with a COOWPS brand. Well, that's kind of cool. 20-watt fast charging power bank. Yeah, look at that. An official COOWPS 20-watt fast charging power bank. So that is really nice. You know, let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look at this. Okay, here it is right here. 1,000 or 10,000 mAh power bank. Here it is, nice and heavy. These must be the lights to tell you if it's charged all the way. Nice. And right here, what is this? So it has the actual cord to charge it with, so that is nice. What is this? This is, I have no idea. I'm not sure what this is. But it says charging case, but I think it's just called charging case simply because it comes with a charger. I'm not sure if it goes in there any special way. No? Okay. So let's test this out with this right here. This should go over this. Yeah. Is it turned right? Yeah. So that goes over that down here. And then you should just be able to zip it up. And it should be as easy as that. Make sure I'm doing it right. I mean, simple enough. It says if you want, you can put some stuff underneath it. So if I wanted to put this under here, you could probably put a couple other accessories in here. I'll put this here. And then I'll put this right here. I'll close this over. Let me actually get a Switch game to put in this. So this is my personal case of games, which is super cool. So I'm gonna get some of my games out of here. I don't have a crazy amount yet.
I should just be able to slide these in here. Yeah, look at that. Easy enough. Yeah. So this protects the screen. This is real nice. And then, honestly, simple enough. I mean, it feels good. And the fact that it works with the case in there is really nice. I like that.
So after spending some time with it, I've got to say, I actually really like this. For what you're getting, a solid carrying case that fits everything and a 10,000 portable power bank included for a total of $65.99 depending on sales. From the COOWPS website, it's a solid value. For travel and long play sessions without hurting for outlets, it's great. If you enjoy this unboxing and this breakdown, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're into honest tech gear reviews and everyday setup upgrades, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.